In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank details on a Xero invoice in this comprehensive 2025 tutorial. To start off, you'll need to navigate over to Xero.com and sign in to your account. Before proceeding, ensure that you have either admin or invoice template permissions, since these are required for editing invoice settings. Once you're logged in and ready, look for your dashboard. From there, you'll want to locate and click on Settings, and then move on to Invoice Settings. Here, you'll be choosing the branding theme or template that you're currently using for your invoices. Now, you'll find yourself in the template editor. This is where the magic happens. Scroll through the options until you reach Payment Services or Payment Details. This section is where you'll be focusing your attention. Here you can enter or update your bank name, account number, IBAN, or SWIFT code. It's important to be meticulous with the details to ensure transactions go smoothly. If you're managing transactions in multiple currencies, for instance, both GBP and USD, you can add more than one account to accommodate this, which can be quite handy. After making these changes, don't forget to click the Save button to ensure all your updates are applied. Next, you'll need to apply these adjusted bank details to your invoices. When you're in the process of creating a new invoice, make sure to select the branding theme that includes your updated bank details. The new payment instructions should automatically appear at the bottom of your invoice, saving you time and preventing any manual errors. Now, what if you need to change the bank details of an existing invoice? Well, that can be done too. Start by opening the invoice you wish to update. You'll want to click on Options followed by Edit. Once in edit mode, switch the branding theme to your newly updated one, the one with fresh bank information. Finally, save your changes and, if necessary, resend the invoice to your customer to ensure they have the most accurate payment information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you ensure that your clients have the correct information, which helps maintain smooth and professional financial interactions. Remember to double check all entries for accuracy and consistency, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Xero invoices with ease.